Do another open house Saturday at my new listing in Westland. It's 4 bedrooms. Look at this entryway. It's really nice to greet your guests at. Hello, plenty of room. Welcome to my living room. It's huge. We can go upstairs, downstairs, or maybe we should go into the kitchen. That's classic. Oh, I would have my dining table here. Look at my expansive kitchen. Oh, yes, I do have tons of counter space and cabinets. Look at that window. More cabinets. There's my fridge. It's all beautiful. Hardwood. I have my dining table here. But please come out to my screened porch. Look at this fantastic view. This is my lower level, my little family room, if you may, with this fireplace and built in a nice little gas fireplace to keep you warm. And there's this unfinished workshop area, even more. And then there's this door outside. Here's the door. It goes up these steps. And look at this amazing backyard in Westland and this huge deck. Now let's go upstairs. I'll show you the bedrooms. So there's 4 bedrooms, and this is my master bedroom. Has its own private full bathroom. Yep, don't have to share with anybody. I got 4 bedrooms. They're bedrooms. One has a lot of mirrors. But let's go back outside because this deck, it is super awesome. Here's my cute little screened-in porch to enjoy all the wildlife. Look at this yard. It's huge. Here is the very far back part of the yard. Look at that. That is a huge yard. So here's the street, and then in the back, you'll notice there's no neighbors back there. While it's fully fenced, it's backing up to the Holiday Nature Preserve, this green area here, which is 125 acres. So pretty private. So pretty awesome in Westland, but Livonia Schools. Look at this driveway. You can park many cars.